Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We will discuss about the chemistry instruments like icp-oes, GCMS, SEM and XRD. All are the information in this video. Then we will start. First of all, we will discuss about the icp-oes, means inductively coupled plasma optical emission spectroscopy. The principle uses the fact that atoms and ions can absorb energy to move electron ground state to excited state. The source of the icp-oes is used argon plasma. The icp-oes is used to determine how much certain elements are in the sample. To use the icp-oes instrument, the next instrument is GCMS. GC means gas chromatography and MS means mass spectroscopy. The GC works on the principle that mixture will separate into individual substances when heated. The heated gases are carried through a column with an inert gas. As the separated substance emerge on a column opening, they flow into the mass spectroscopy. The mass spectroscopy detector that is added to the gas chromatography. The MS means mass spectroscopy provides mass spectrum which will be useful for the characterization of a compound. The GCMS is used for the analysis of an unknown organic compound mixture. The next instrument is NMR, Nuclear Magnetic Resonance Spectroscopy. When a nucleus that possesses a magnetic moment is placed in a strong magnetic field. In the NMR spectroscopy, we use H1 NMR and C13 NMR. It is used to determine the structure of organic molecules in the solution and the study molecular physics and crystal as well as non-crystalline materials. In the NMR, the analysis of molecular structure and the identification of an unknown chemical substance. The next instrument is a SEM, Scanning Electron Microscope. The principle is that the SEM works on the principle of applying kinetic energy to produce a signal on the interaction of electrons. The SEM is the type of electron microscope that produces images of a sample by a scanning surface with a focused beam of electron. The electron interact with atom in the sample, producing a various signals that contain information about the surface topography and the composition of the sample. The last instrument is the X-ray. The X-ray are a form of ionizing that can penetrate the body to form an image on the film. Everyone to know the X-ray are used in the hospital to break our bone to scan the X-ray machine, and this X-ray is different, and the XRD is a technique used in material science to determine the crystallographic structure of the material. XRD works by irradiating a material with incident X-ray and then measuring the intensities and the scattering angle of the X-ray that leave the material. A primary use of XRD analysis is the identification of material based on their diffraction pattern. Guys, like your content, then subscribe our channel.